Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another great weight loss video for you today. Now, I'm going to show you how you can lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days with these wonderful weight loss ingredients that's going to do your body some good. We're going to stir it up today, okay? We're going to stir it up. So today's ingredients are as follow. Now, first of all, you're going to need a blender. So get out your personal blender or your full-size blender because this one is going to do it. Now, the first ingredient we're going to be using today is our papaya. Now, papaya is excellent for weight loss because it has low calories. It's also a fruit that is great in sources of fiber. It's not only physically satisfying, but it's also going to help you to stay full longer, okay? And this is where you're going to consume fewer calories throughout the day because of the fact that it's going to keep you full for a longer time. So papaya is a wonderful source for weight loss. We're going to be using that today. Also going to be using our ginger. Now, our ginger is great for digestion. It's also great for flaming that fire up inside of you, burning that fat. It's great for fat burning. So we're going to be using our ginger. Also, if you have a lime, lime is good. If you have a lemon, lemon is good. It's okay. They're great for weight loss. They're also great for burning fat, suppressing your appetite. So this is why we use lemon and limes in our teas. We're also going to be using a few sprigs of mint leaves. Mint is also great for digestion, great for antioxidant. Okay, we're going to boost it up. Also, we're going to be using a cucumber, medium size, large, it doesn't matter because we're going to be using the whole cucumber, and that's part of the source of water that we're getting. All right, we're also going to be using today some prunes, y'all. Okay, you know what prunes do. It's going to help stir up that intestine, get those bowels going. All right. Now, if you choose, you can also include in this a cup or a half a cup to a cup of water. So if you feel that your smoothie texture might be a little bit too thick, you can use a half a cup to a cup of water as well. All right. But today I'm going to use the water that's going to come from my wonderful cucumbers. So let me prepare this for the video and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I am back from preparing my ingredients. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start putting these in our blender cup. What you're going to need to start off with is at least a cup and a half of your papaya. Pop that into your blender cup. Next, I'm going to also add in about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of my ginger. I'm also going to pop in my mint leaves. And what I did was I took out 5 prunes. So we're going to be using 5 prunes, okay? Now I'm just going to chop up my cucumbers and then put that in the cup as well. Now, it seems like a lot, but it really isn't. Next, I'm just going to take my limes, lemons, whatever you have is fine. And I'm just going to juice that into the cup as well. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to pop my blender blade on my cup and we're just going to blend this out, y'all. Okay, like I said, if you want to add some water in there, you can add your water. That's fine too. Alright, y'all, so we are back. Look at that. Nice and creamy. And it's thick. So like I said, if you choose not to do the water on top of this, you're going to have a nice thick enough smoothie. Okay, it's gonna fill you up. And there you have it. You can pop your metal straw in there, and you have a wonderful weight loss drink. Now, you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. You can have this after your teas in the morning as a breakfast replacement. And this is going to fill you up longer. It's going to have you going, okay? It's going to stir up your intestines. You drink this. It's not a lot of fluid, but like I said, if you want to thin it out a little bit, you can add some water. And it has a wonderful flavor and taste to it, y'all. All right? So like I said, when you do these detox, these smoothies, these drinks, make sure you're eating healthy, light meals. Try to eliminate all of the excess stuff that's not good for you, like the extra sugars, sodiums, the starches, all of that. Get rid of that for now. And just eat light, healthy meals, and you're going to see weight loss in your body. Drink lots of water. Make sure you implement a lot of green teas throughout your day, and you're going to see results in your body. This drink is going to have you lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days. We're working hard this winter, okay? So implement this in your morning routine. Drink this for 30 days, and you're going to see results. So thank you all for joining me on these wonderful videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Hit that notification bar and select all so you will not miss another one of these videos. Also, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, what are you waiting for, okay? We got good stuff on this side of town. So hit that subscribe button and join the family. Also, I have another channel called Velvetlox, which will also be in the description bar down below, where you can go over there and check out hair care videos, skincare videos, beauty videos, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. All right? A great, wonderful selection over there. Also, you guys, hit that like button. And you guys, check down below for the links for these wonderful items for your NUTRIBULLET personal size blender, as well as your full-size blender and these wonderful metal reusable straws. All of that will be down in the description bar of this video. All right? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget, your auntie and your big sis just loves you. All right? And I will see you in the next wonderful weight loss video coming soon. See you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.